been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. Was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What did I do? In the middle of saying, then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. When I thought I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. Now I wake up every morning next to her. I gotta pinch myself to prove that she's my girl. There's no place I'd rather be here in this world, 'cause I have no doubt, and I know she is the one. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What did I do? In the middle of saying, then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, my feelings come to life again. My feelings come to life. I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. She's my Mrs. Right, my one and only one, my one and only one, my one and only one, my one and only one. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What else could I do? In the middle of saying, then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. And I thought I didn't care, I just saw her standing here, made my feelings come to life again. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. And I thought I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. She's my Mrs. Right. Mrs. Right.
Girl, every time I close my eyes, I see your smile in the morning light. And girl, every time I hear that song that we used to call our own, it all comes back again. I don't understand it, somehow I didn't see. It took me far too long to realize that I take your love for granted. It's a possibility. Now all that I have left are memories. Won't you come back again? Baby, we could try again. We could try again. Come back again. I don't wanna play no games. Maybe you should come back. We could try again. Oh, I wish I realized we were in paradise. And now, every time I fall asleep, I dream of what we used to be. I don't understand it, somehow I didn't see. It took me far too long to realize that I
And that was our 2021 Holiday Matsuri cosplay music video. For more videos like this, be sure to hit the bell, like, comment, and subscribe, as every little bit of support helps. Next time, Anime Los Angeles 2022.
Stop. I forgot to put my goggles on. I made a blooper. Okay, that's a blooper.
Alright, think. Alright, look at me.
Try to understand this!
And go. Whoops. Hey, you know what that is, right? A blooper. Can I put that in the reel? Oh, you got branched.
I did.
And you know what that is, Mina? You know what that is?
What's that?
She just made a blooper.
I just branched.
You got branched. And go ahead.
Shoot.
Whoops.
I know, I went.
Mina made a blooper. Okay, are you ready? Whoa! Blooper! Blooper! Ready? Blooper! Uh-oh! Blooper! Blooper! And go! Whoops! And go.
How dare you drop the pizza?
Yeah, Scarlett, how dare you drop that pizza?
And I still ate it. You know I did.
Okay.